Our today's topic is on a new development in your country or the area. Describe a new development in your country or the area where you live, like a shopping center, park, etc. What and where the development? What it was like before? How long it took to complete? How do people feel about it? And explain how it has improved the area you live in. India is a developing country, and it progresses daily, encompassing advancements in transportation, education, infrastructure, health, and various other sectors. But here I would like to talk about a new development in my area called Gilco Green, which is in Phagwara. Gilco Green is a modern residential complex with beautiful parks, walking paths, and various amenities for residents. It's located on the outskirts of Phagwara, making it a peaceful yet convenient place to live. Before Gilco Green was built, the area was mostly empty land with some old, unused buildings and fields. It wasn't very attractive and didn't have any facilities for the community. The transformation of this area has been quite impressive. The construction of Gilco Green took about 2 years to complete. The developers worked efficiently to build the residential buildings, parks, and other facilities. They paid a lot of attention to creating a green and eco-friendly environment, which is very appealing. The buildings are designed with modern architecture and have various features like spacious apartments, security systems, and parking areas. People in Phagwara feel very positive about this new development. Many families have moved into Gilco Green, and they appreciate the clean, safe, and modern living conditions. The parks are especially popular, providing a great place for children to play and for adults to relax and exercise. Gilco Green has significantly improved the area in several ways. It has provided high-quality housing options for many people, which has helped reduce overcrowding in other parts of the city. The development has also increased the value of nearby properties. Additionally, the new parks and green spaces have made the area more beautiful and enjoyable for everyone. The township offers several residential options depending on individual family requirements and budget. Overall, Gilco Green has brought a lot of positive changes to Phagwara and has become a model for future developments in the region. So, all in all, this is a recent development in my hometown. Follow-up questions. 1. Is public transportation important in India? Public transportation is incredibly important in India, including in Phagwara. It's a lifeline for many people, especially those who can't afford private vehicles. Buses and trains help people commute to work, school, and other places affordably and efficiently. 2. What can be done to improve public transport services in your hometown? I think to make public transport better in Phagwara, we need to have more buses going to different places more often, so people don't have to wait too long. It would also be nice if the buses were newer and more comfortable, and if they didn't harm the environment. Another good idea would be to have digital tickets and tell people when the buses are coming in real time, so they don't have to wait around unsure. That would make traveling on buses much easier for everyone. 3. What leisure activities could be used by people of age groups? People of all age groups in Phagwara can enjoy various leisure activities. For children and families, there are parks, playgrounds, and recreational centers. Young adults might enjoy shopping, dining out, or participating in sports activities. Elderly individuals often prefer activities like gardening, social gatherings, or cultural events. 4. Do you think young people in your country like going to the cinema? Yes, young people in India enjoy going to the cinema. It's a popular form of entertainment where they can watch the latest movies with friends or family. Many cinemas in my country offer comfortable seating and advanced technology, enhancing the overall cinematic experience. 5. How is the subway system developing in your country? Subways are getting better in big cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Mumbai. They are making more lines to reach more places and help people travel faster. This is to reduce traffic and pollution and give people a quicker way to get around. They are building new lines and making the existing ones longer to help more people. Even though it is happening slowly, subways are becoming important for people who live in these cities. 6. What transportation do you use the most? I primarily use buses and auto rickshaws for transportation. Buses are convenient for longer distances, while auto rickshaws are great for shorter trips within the city. Both options are readily available and affordable for daily commuting needs. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.